So again, this is pretty much you get it or you don't situation. So if I do it with replacement, so nothing should change between picks. Probably I pick a Republican first would be 11 out of 24. And then Democrat would be 10 out of 24 still. Good, because it's with replacement. I didn't lose anybody. So it's like I take the Republican out, and then I put him back in the House. He's like, yeah, oh no, shit. And then whatever the hell that is. What do you guys get for that? Anybody? 1910. Okay. Crowdsource that.
I didn't realize Congress was the haunted house.
Well, good Lord. There's a lot of jokes just waiting that I'm just letting lay. What about independent and then another independent? So the parlays an independent would be
3 out of 24.
3 out of 24. Put it back in the House.
3 out of 24.
So it's still 3 out of 24. I like it. And whatever the hell that is. 0156. Okay, I like it. And all of these you can make percentages if you want to. Humans like percentages better, I've heard. It's always weird when I say that. So now watch, this is kind of nice. I pretty much always do this, just to show you how the probability changes in that other situation. So it's still going to be 11 out of 24 for the Republican, but what's going to be now for the Democrat?
10 out of 23.
10 out of 23. This time I actually let them leave. Pick a Republican at random, let that guy leave, or woman. Are there any female Republicans there? Yes. And then whatever the hell that is. Right, what do you guys do for that? Is that cool? You guys with me? What is that? Anybody? What does it start? 8931? So the probability, whoa, 089, what is it? 0.1993, that's better. That was way too big. Little tiny numbers. It went up a little bit. Which kind of makes sense because our bottom, our denominator went down. Right? What about this guy? It'll be the same thing we had here, 3 out of 24, but then what happens on this one?
2 out of 24.
Yeah, one less independent, one less person. 1/4, 1/92. It's like 0.014. No? What is it? 0.01? I love how you guys are looking at me like I really know. That's as far as I got. 01?
09.
09? Okay. And that went down a bit because I lost a number on the top, which is going to make the whole thing get smaller. I like it. So those are exactly the kind of questions I like to ask. Now this is what's going to happen next class. We're going to get out like decently early today, and don't get used to that. Next class I'm going to have a practice probability quiz. Since this is like a double quiz, it's the one quiz I give you like a little practice sheet. I'm also going to have an in-class probability worksheet for everybody to kind of work on in groups. And then we'll do that together. There's a few definitions and stuff that we still have to do in Chapter 3. There's a few things I have to tighten up from Chapter 3. We basically ran over most of the ideas throughout all of Chapter 3. I like it. So you can start homework. Just go to town. Yes?
What sections was this?
3:1 through 3:4. Yeah. I like it. All right. That's plenty. If you didn't get your test back, come on up. Oh, yeah. Good Lord. Oh, you want to get his too?
He said he just wants to know what he got. I mean, that's up to you. I don't know if you...
Well, tell me pretty well. What's your name again?
TC.
Oh, TC. So So here, real quick, this is the curve grade. You can make corrections, just like this is. This is your overall average at the moment.
Because I got this.
Yeah, exactly.
This one right here is sample, but I'm a little confused.
Yeah, it's a
What did I
sample,
do?
so don't use the formula if that's for a population.
But isn't it the same? Is it because I wrote?
No. What's on the bottom for S? The sample standard deviation has. Oh, I see. You wrote it down wrong. Remember, n minus
Is it
1
n
is the
minus one?
adjustment because it's
Okay.
a sample.
It's the DF thing.
The degrees of freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to come up later. Yeah. Okay.
I have a question.
Oh.
This in the back.
What's up?
Pretty sure that's correct. The mean, all.
But look, I don't ask for the median mode.
I wrote down the equation wrong.
Oh, shit. What is today?
9:20.
20? Close to year.
The next test?
What's up?
For the next test?
What about the next test?
When is
Oh,
it?
when is it? You got the homework sheet, right?
I did.
It's listed on there. So,
I'll
off the
check.
top of my head, I can't remember.
I'll check.
I need to do this.
Thank you. So I wasn't sure if I heard you correctly. So does the test grade replaces the quiz grade?
If you, so your corrections, did you get, let's see, you only got a point test, right? So then I do a proportional change, so your quiz grade probably went up a little bit. So it'd be like 1 out of 7 points you could have gotten. So I do 1/7 the difference between the quiz grade and the test grade, and add that on. Yeah, but after the second test, I'll give you a summary sheet of grades. It'll have all the grades that show up in my spreadsheet, so it'll show you the quiz adjusted grade. Or you can just come to the office anytime and I'll show it to you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure.
I just had a quick question. For this one, you're like 0.25 of like the total numbers.
Sure. And you got a whole number.
And then the eighth number would be 6.
No, if you get a whole number, you average
Oh.
that as the next one. Yeah.
Okay. Got you.
Which actually ends up being that, but I need to see that happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure.